Come on, you got it. You're almost out. Just keep fighting. You're almost out. You're making it. Just keep on fighting a bit more. Ah, but your tail is stuck. Getting there. He's probably super tired. He's probably been out here for about a day. I didn't leave the trap outside or anything, but he was inside, and so... when he gets the moment when he gets off, though... You're not off yet, are you? You almost got it. Just keep working. You're almost out. There you go. Keep stretching yourself out. Don't give up. You're so close. You're so close to free, I can see it. Up. Do you have it? Do you not need my help anymore? There you go. Hold up. He's getting it. Don't go back in. 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 Get away from it. Get away from it. Get away from it. Get away from it. That's what's gonna get you stuck again. You're almost out. There you go. You're free now. Go. Wait, you're still stuck? What are you stuck to? Are you injured? Are you just tired? Oh, you're still stuck. Okay, now don't go over there. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Don't go back in. Don't go back in. Don't go back in. No, what are you doing? Get out. Aw, you're injured. Ah. Luckily for him, I removed the adhesive. Come on, get out of here. Get out of here. Go. Go. Leave. Don't try to eat the cockroach. Are you trying to eat the cockroach? I just got you out. There's more things to eat in this world. Now that it's free, it'll be fine on its own, I guess. I don't think it's stuck again. I'm pretty sure it's not, because I removed all the adhesive with the vegetable oil. God damn it. You're stuck again. You fool. You naive nature, fool. Come on, get out of here. Get out of here with your weak animal muscles. I imagine he's just exhausted. He or she. Please no, Junebug. Go away. Oh god, is your tail stuck? No, it's not. Here. Alright, well, I helped free a mouse that we caught, so it's alive. It's not in the best condition, but it's alive. You want the food? No? No food? Oh, you're trying to get mud on yourself to remove the dirt? Or the human stench, as they call it? You're fine. Don't give up on yourself, buddy. You're almost there. You are almost there. Oh, here, wait. Gotta... Get on up out of here. You're almost there. You are almost free, buddy. Must have been a hard night or whatever. Excuse me. So tired that can't even move. Barely.